Hello everyone, welcome to RD Institute of Commerce. We are going to discuss some important MCQs based on chapter 1 जो previous board exam pattern में से लिए गए हैं. I hope it is very helpful to you. Let's start the questions. So our first question is successful management ensure that जो successful management होती है वो क्या किस बात को ensure करती है? Goals are achieved with least cost, timely achievement of goals, बोथ ऑफ द अबव, नन ऑफ द अबव. आपने इसका आंसर कमेंट्स में देना है, बाकी इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दूंगी. वी आर हेयर ओनली डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस ओनली. सो आवर सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज एफिशिएंसी इज कंसर्न विद व्हाट. एफिशिएंसी क्या होती है? डूइंग द राइट थिंग्स, डूइंग थिंग्स राइट, अचीविंग एंड रिजल्ट्स, नन ऑफ द अबव. Next question is, Jay is working as a marketing manager in a company, has been given the task of selling 1 lakh units of a product at a cost of rupees 100 per unit within 20 days. He is able to sell all the units within the stipulated time but had to sell last 1000 units at 20% discount in order to complete the target. In such a situation, he will be considered as, उसको क्या माना जाएगा? An efficient manager, an effective manager, both effective and efficient manager, none of above. Now come to the next question. Tarang Enterprises Limited is planning to increase its sales by 30% in the next quarter. Identify the feature of management being highlighted in the given statement. इस statement में management का कौन सा feature highlight हो रहा है? Management is all pervasive, management is goal oriented process, management is a continuous process, yeah, all of above. Next question is, successful organization do not achieve goals by chance but they following a deliberate process known as deliberate process. What is it? Planning, coordination, controlling and management. What is it? Now, the people in the organization carry out diverse tasks with the aim to achieve different objective, common objective, both of the above, none of the above. Next question is, which of the following is not a designation related to top level management? इनमें से क्या top level management में नहीं आता है? President, Vice President, Chairman, Production Manager. So the next question is, the authority responsibility relationship that exists within the organization give rise to different functions within the organization, different levels in the organization, management as a multi-dimensional activity और management as a group activity. अगर authority responsibility होती है तो वो किस चीज़ को बढ़ावा देती है? Question is this. So the next question is, which of the following statement is not relevant to the concept of management as an inexact science? The principles of management lack universal validity. The principles of management lack universal applicability. The principles of management have to be modified according to the given situation. Management involves dealing with human behavior and outcomes cannot be predicted with utmost accuracy. Give me the correct answer. So our next question is, management is considered to be an art. Management को हम art भी कह सकते हैं because the principles of management have universal validity. The principles of management have universal application. Different principles of management are brought into effect differently by different managers. It is not important for the practicing manager to be a member of professional association. Give me the correct answer. Management is considered important because it helps an organization to adapt to the changes, seeks to integrate individual efforts, it helps in development of the society, all of above. Why management is important? क्यों important है? ये आंसर क्वेश्चन ये है. So next question is, which of the following is not an organizational objective of management? Management का organizational objective इनमें से क्या नहीं है? Earning enough revenue to cover cost, earning sufficient profit to cover risk of business, increase in the prospectus of business in the long run, and providing free education to their employees' children. Next question is, keeping in view the changes in the customer demands and preferences, Tasty Maker Bakery has reduced the sugar and fat content in its product. This approach of business shows that management is what? Management क्या है? Management an intangible force a group activity, a dynamic function, a multi-dimensional activity. Next question is, management translate the work to be carried out in term of goals to be achieved and assign the means to achieve it. This statement relates to, ये statement क्या बता रही है हमारे को? Management of work, management of people, management of operations या all of above. Next question is, management is equally important to run a political organization as it is to run an economic organization. Which feature of management is being reflected in the given statement? Management is goal oriented, management is multidimensional, management is all pervasive, management is a group activity. So these are the question जो पिछले बोर्ड एग्जाम पेपर्स में से लिए गए हैं. आप अपने तरफ से इनके आंसर्स बताइएगा, लेकिन अगर आपको क्रॉस चेक करना हो तो यू कैन चेक इट फ्रॉम डिस्क्रिप्शन. मैं इनके सारे आंसर्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिख दूँगी. आई होप इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल टू यू. थैंक यू.